We're down here in Delaware Drive. I'm joined today by Giselle Rodriguez. She's one of the engineers for the city of Fayetteville. She's got a very important job that she's doing right now in the recovery effort. So tell me a little bit what you're doing through today and in advance of the crushing waters.
We are actually going around the community doing some assessments of damage, but we are also labeling high water marks. Being able to label those high water marks allows us to validate and calibrate our models as we look at them and perform watershed studies. So this is going to be really valuable for us. It's one of the first times that we are doing this, and it's definitely valuable information. We'll label them, and then the survey crew goes after us to take those shots.
And how is this information used when you kind of do these models with the watersheds? How is that helpful in the future?
What we do is we do some computer models, and then we use this data to be able to calibrate and ensure that the model is giving us the right information as we saw it during the storm.
How many of these stakes do you think you're going to be putting up in advance right now?
Well, right now we have done 3 because we're just starting in Delaware. But I mean, I think the crew went yesterday and they put out at least a dozen. So we're definitely going to have close to 50 marks. That allows us to validate.
Okay, excellent. And what are some of the things you've been seeing so far as you've been going around? Have you been hearing from all the different crews?
Well, we have seen some pipe separation. We have seen some culverts that are starting to wash out. A lot of erosion in many places, but at least I can say that the infrastructure damage so far doesn't appear to be as bad as when we had it with Hurricane Matthew.
And we'll still have to see what happens. We still got the Cape Fear River about ready to crest, so we'll have to come back out later in this week and take a look at some other areas in the city. But I thank you. Thank you for letting everybody know what's going on. Keep following us here on Facebook, and we'll let you know what's happening next.